Hey guys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. So we are doing another K-pop idol makeup. Today we're going to be doing Blackpink Lisa's makeup. Looks like she did this for one of her performances. It's a really pretty three-toned look, and I'm going to be doing that to the eyes. First step I'm going to do is go in with a eye primer. I'll do my eyebrows. I'm going to start by laying down a transition shade right in the crease just so that all the colors can blend out really nicely. And I'm going to be using a big fluffy blending brush. I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and I'm going to actually work in thirds. So I'm going to do a light color in the first third, and then right in the middle I'm going to do a pink color, and then the outer third I'm going to do a green color. Next, taking that pink shade, I'm just going to use the same fluffy blending brush and kind of tap it on there so that I get a little bit of product, and then I can kind of blend it out into the first color I place down. I think I'm gonna have to dip into another palette because I didn't realize that the current palette that I'm using doesn't have the green that I want, so I have to dip into another palette for that. So just like I did with the other two steps, I'm going to take a small blending brush and just tap the darkest color on the outer 1/3 of my lid, and then slowly do some tapping motions to blend it in with the colors I already laid down. I'm going to move on to my eyelashes. I'm going to give them a curl, and I'm going to put on a couple coats of mascara before I do eyeliner. So now I'm going to go through with a liquid liner, and I'm just looking to fill in the areas in my waterline and then do a small kind of wing. And I'm going to use a small blending brush to just smoke out that bottom lash line with the first transition shade we put in. And now I'm just going to go in and blend everything out. So I'm going to use a white highlight with a pink shift, and I'm just going to tap that with my ring finger right on the center of my lid. So I'm going to finish my face. I'm going in first with a BB cream, and I'm just using a flat, dense foundation brush and applying that all over my face. apply a little bit of blush to my cheeks. I forgot to conceal, so I'm just gonna go through and do that right now. Last step is lip. I'm gonna go in with a tinted lip balm, and this one leans more towards the red with some peachy undertones. Okay, so last step, I'm going to spray my setting spray all over my face. So this is the finished look. So that was it for today's video. How closely do you think I got to Lisa's makeup? Let me know down below. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!